If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to share a trending news that all of you must be aware. As you can see by the title of the video that WhatsApp is going to have 3 red ticks from now onwards and government is going to see your chats, calls, etc. This news is spreading widely on social media since yesterday. So today in this video, I'll be explaining and sharing with you guys whether this news is fake or no. So without wasting any other time, let's get started. Yeah, so guys, as I previously told you that this news is spreading all over the social media platforms like Facebook, Insta, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc., which says that government can access all of your messages, all of your chats which you are chatting on WhatsApp, and images, statuses, whatsoever, everything from WhatsApp. Okay, it also says that if you say anything against any caste, religion or anything against government, then they can read your message and they can take action against you. So now I'll tell how to understand whether government has read the message and if government has taken action against you. Okay, so actually the message claims to say that if you can see 2 blue ticks and 1 red tick, then the government can take an action against you. That means the government has read your message. If you see 3 red ticks, then it means that the government has taken action against you and the government has started court proceedings against you. I mean, it has reached to the court and they can have or they can arrest you from that. That's what the message claims to say. And the part which I have to say to you guys, that it is totally fake. Government has also posted it on Twitter. You can see it on the screen. I am posting everything on the screen. You can see it. Like, government has also told that it is totally fake and they have requested not to forward this message because the message claims to say that it has been forwarded many times. We can see an icon on the top of the message. So it shows that it has forwarded many times. Okay, so by that I would like to say WhatsApp is totally fake and WhatsApp is totally safe and this message is totally fake. You need not worry. It is just to make people panic around, and government can never access your WhatsApp, nor the WhatsApp people can access your WhatsApp chats or whatsoever. Okay, so the WhatsApp chat is always safe. WhatsApp is totally safe. It is secured within you and the person you are communicating with. Okay, so you need not worry about anything. Just ignore the message. If you get any message, just delete it straight away. Okay. Yeah, and this kind of messages was forwarded last year as well. If you're aware or not aware, I would like to say this was forwarded last year as well and it had got disabled, but this year again the trend is showing up and this is just to scare you people. There is nothing as such. Okay, so after hearing all this, you must be worried, like somewhat worried or fully assured. This, what I'm saying is, for those who is somewhat assured and somewhat not assured. So you must be having a doubt, thinking like, oh, now how should I trust WhatsApp, whether my chats and everything is safe or no. So I would like to say something. Once you open a chat, you can see a pop-up or a message which shows below the date or whatever that it is an end-to-end encrypted chat. Okay, so you can click on that. You can click and you can see some barcode. You can scan and see if it matches with your partner or with whom you are chatting or with whom you are communicating, then it's totally safe. If that person is not near you to scan, then you can also see 60-digit numbers, 60-digit numbers displayed over there. You can match it with the person you are texting with. Okay, if it matches with both of them, then you can be 101% sure that your chats are totally safe. You need not worry about whether the chats are unsafe or not. If those 60 numbers are same, then it's totally safe. Okay guys, So this you can see only with the person you're communicating with. Every chat has different security codes, so according to that you can go and check and be assured that your chats are totally safe. And also guys, I would like to add one more note that the WhatsApp company and court is still discussing about the IT guidelines. Okay, so no real rules have been declared or anything, so you guys have to wait patiently, and nothing is going to happen to WhatsApp, as WhatsApp company also has said that they won't give up to the government because they want privacy for the people, I mean for the customers. Okay, so guys, I hope you found it interesting and you found it knowledgeable. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from us. Also, if you have any kind of doubts, you can DM us on Instagram and follow us there, also on Twitter, and we will always be there to help you guys. So until next time, goodbye, stay safe.